What's the meaning of beholden? Beholden. Beholden.
Beholden. Beholden. Beholden is an adjective that describes a situation where one person or group owes something to another. It can be used to describe a sense of indebtedness, gratitude, or obligation that one feels towards another person or group. For example, if a person helps you out in a difficult situation, you may feel beholden to them and owe them a debt of gratitude. The word beholden can also be used to describe a larger-scale situation, such as when a company is beholden to its shareholders or when a government is beholden to its constituents. Overall, it conveys a sense of dependence and the idea that one must act in accordance with the wishes or expectations of another.